Alright guys, if you are getting white smoke coming from your exhaust and you suspect that you got coolant leaking into your block and burning with the fuel, could be a gasket is wrong or something else, or cracked cylinder, there is easy test to do it. I bought this one for £20 I believe on Amazon, and you can do 50 tests with it, so it's not a one-time use. All you have in this test kit is a rubber which goes on top of your expansion tank where coolant is. This little plastic thing where you fill it up in between these lines, the liquid which is provided with the test. And what's gonna happen, we will start the car and leave it running until it's hot for, I don't know, 10-15 minutes. The color of the liquid will change to yellow if the coolant is leaking into the block. So basically you get CO2 mixing up in your coolant, and it will come through this, up through here, through this liquid and out, and it will change the color to yellow. So I'll start it now and see if I have a leak or not. So here how it looks when the gas is coming through this liquid. I'm just pushing it out to make sure it doesn't escape from around here. So it should be bubbling, and if there is any CO2 mixing up with your coolant, this liquid will change color to yellow or green. Okay, so I ran my car for around half an hour now, and my color is still blue, which means that there is no leak into the block. Head gasket is all good and cylinders are not cracked, so I'm happy with that. Most likely I had some condensation which took a while to go away, and after running that half an hour, I checked my fumes, it was actually gone. So, but it's still good to have it. Hopefully it helps for someone to determine if you need to do a head gasket or do something else with your car. Thanks for watching.